Well, I'm out in my garden and I have tomatoes everywhere growing, little tomatoes. They're coming along, they're doing so well. They taste good. I've been eating them already. And we're at the almost the end of July. We got about a week left in July. And this is all my tomatoes. Little ones. There's some big ones right over there. A couple. And look at this little monster I got right here. He is so big. Oh my goodness. The camera can't even show how big he is. He's huge. And another one of those growing here. And got a big tomato coming here with a flower on it. And this has flowers on it. This one's growing. I've been gone on vacation, so I am behind on weeds. So I've got to get out here and weed everything. And it looks like I've got some caterpillars out here somewhere eating my cucumber leaves. I have gotten a ton of cucumbers already, but I was gone, so my husband was picking them. Still have some. Here's one. No, I didn't mean to do that. Hi. So there's the cucumber, one of those. And I've got a lot more growing. There's some growing over there. Can't see them from here. I've picked probably 20 or 30 off of these couple of vines. So that's a good thing for 2 or 3 vines this year. This one might have another one. He's got a new bloom over there. So he might get some more cucumbers. We got little tomatoes coming here. Tomatoes here. And here's another big one. Another one coming here that's going to be a big one probably. Right there it is. And there, look at that one. It's big. 2 of them there. That one is big and he's growing. So let it get red. I'll be picking those soon. And it looks like I have one that's red enough to maybe pick over here. These are some good tomato sandwich size tomatoes. And I can't remember what they're called. Let me see if this one is good enough to pick yet. I don't know. He might go another day or 2. Look at all these. They're gonna be big. Same couple of tomato things here. There's a big one coming out. Where's it at? There it is. Gotta get it in the camera. Then I've got some more like fall tomatoes coming here that's blooming and not ready yet. But hopefully they'll be putting on some. One of those is a Dolly Parton. I can't wait to see it because it should be big. I think it's that one right there. It's a Dolly Parton. And this is a Dolly Parton, I think, over here. But boy, the weeds and grass are taking over. So this week, I was sick after I came back from my trip. Oh my gosh. I was so sick, and just now kind of getting over, had this awful stomach bug, and oh, it was just terrible. For about a week, couldn't function. And but thank goodness I'm on the mend. I'm happy. Yay. So let's get back to the garden. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, over here's a couple of the new. I put them where the peas are, but I gotta take down all the old peas and weeds here. Plant some more tomatoes. Maybe another cucumber or 2 once these stop producing. So, see, I got a little cucumber coming along right there. And seems like there's a big one growing. He's almost ready. Got one here and one down there. these tomato plants, man, they're just putting on like crazy. Doing really good. Let's pick this one. And I'm gonna go back over here. I see a red one that I need to get right here. And I'm gonna go back over here because there's a red one right there. And you have to be careful with these. See how I got this one, came way over here. He's leaning, growing way out. I had to put this cage up. But when I'm going by this, I have to be careful because you can break these so easy. I lost a couple of big tomatoes on one over there because I broke it. I was trying to get past, move it into a cage and broke it. You gotta be very careful. They're delicate. Okay. I think something bit me. Okay. So lots of work to do out here. There's a big cucumber I'm gonna pick probably tomorrow. It's big. There's a big one. There's a little one growing right there. Like I said, we already got, I had to throw away a bunch. There's a cucumber down there. There it is. And when I got back, there was a lot that weren't. Look at that, I gotta do all that bark still. Oh, lots to do out here. Get my grandson back over here. Be here in a couple of days. And me and him have work to do. Lots of it. He's gonna love it. Okay, goodbye for today. See you later. Bye.